your seat and make sure you are ready to stand. So, as usual, I will take your attendance first. And who is absent today? Andan. Why Andan? Okay, Andan sick. Who else? Ilham. Why Ilham? Long caption. Is anyone? Setia. Why Setia? Permission. Okay. So, okay. Now, today we are going to learn about passive voice and active voice in the topic of personal money management. So, by the end of the lessons, you will be able to identify active and passive voices, change active voices atau active sentences into passive sentences. And the last, you can use them in daily situation about managing money. So, before we start study, let's play a simple game. And I have one game, so please listen carefully the rules of the game. I have a game, of course, a simple game. The first, I will say one word, and then you must say another word using the last letter from previous word. Okay, I will translate into Indonesia, of course. Ini ada sebuah game yang sederhana. Nanti kalian, saya akan menyebutkan atau ibu akan menyebutkan satu kata, ya. Lalu kalian nanti cari kata lain, another words, using the last letter of the words. Menggunakan huruf terakhir, the last letter of the word. For example, when I say hospital, so what is the last letter of hospital? L. Good. And you must say another word using L as the first letter of your words. L. So hospital, the last letter is L, and then your word is learn. Okay, good. Dewi. Nice. You, Tamim. Empty. Empty. So what is the last letter of empty? Y. Empty. So the last letter of empty is Y. And then you have to find the word using Y as the first letter of the word. U. Okay, good?
Umbrella.
U. Okay, the last letter is U and the word is umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, what is the first letter of umbrella? Umbrella. But the last letter of umbrella is A. And you have to say one word using A as the first letter of the word. Wah, see? Okay. Ibu kasih tahu, berarti huruf yang diawali dari huruf A. Cari. Of course, we only use English. Cari kata bahasa Inggris menggunakan huruf A. After, okay. So the last letter is after. What is that? After. So the last letter is. Ibu masih nanya huruf akhirnya. After. What is the last letter of after? Huruf terakhir dari after itu apa? After. Okay. R is the first. Is the last letter. So now we have mentioned one word using R as the first letter. Red. Okay, good. Red. 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 Dark. Okay, good. Dark. Kitchen. Okay, good. Kitchen. And noise. Okay, good. Noise. Noise or noisy? Noise. So the last letter is noise. Berarti the last letter is E. Noisy, not noisy, but noise. Berarti the last letter is E. Cari satu kata. You have to find one word using E as the first letter of the word. E. Easy? Okay, good. Your turn. Young. Young. Grow? Okay, grow. Grow. So what is the last letter of grow? W. So right. Good. Right. The last letter is E. Okay, good. So what's your word? Eat. And the last eat. After eat.
Teacher.
Teacher. Okay, good. Excellent. And you? Okay, excellent. Ada bunyi akhirnya apa tuh? Excellent. Berarti what is the last letter of excellent? Right hand. Yeah, T. The last letter of excellent is T. So you have to find one word using T as the first letter. Teacher, back again. Tadi ada yang teacher ya, siapa? Teacher, berarti kamu? Oh, salah fokus. Berarti ini. Berarti kamu huruf akhirnya apa dari teacher? R. Teacher, berarti R. Right? No, right? Or right? Right, okay. And you read that right. So what is the last letter? Right. Right. Ride the horse. But this what is the last letter of right? The last letter is E. Okay, good. So what's the word? E in English. And then betul N aja. N. So the last letter is N. Yes, the last letter is E. Draw. Draw. Draw, draw, draw. Draw itu apa artinya? Dah, sekian. So, what have we learned today? We learned about active and passive voice. Okay, so what is active voice? Is anyone can answer my question? What is active voice? Okay, Alia, good. What is active voice? Okay, good. Big applause for Alia. Thank you, Alias. Okay. We can conclude that today we have learned about active and passive voice and how to change from active voice into passive voice. And thank you for today and see you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.